The Indian Army is all set to acquire 180 new Mark 1A Arjun Hunter Killer tanks. Now, the Defence Ministry has given its nod for the acquisition of the Arjun tanks, and it's a big push to make in India Atmanirbhar defence.
It's a big rebirth for India's indigenous Arjun main battle tank. The first of 118 new hunter-killer Arjun tanks of an improved variety will be acquired as part of an 8,380 crore rupee deal in the next 3 years. These new and improved Arjun tanks will add to 124 baseline Arjun tanks already in service with the Indian Army. The 60-ton tanks are already deployed in the western deserts. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently spoke of how tanks made in Chennai will be protecting the northern borders.
I am proud to dedicate to the country one more warrior to protect our frontiers. I am proud to hand over the indigenously designed and manufactured main battle tank Arjun Mark 1A. A tank made in Tamil Nadu will be used in our northern border to keep the nation safe.
The Arjun Mark 1A is said to be a major improvement on the first lot of Arjun main battle tanks. With a 120mm main gun, all-weather capability, computerized fire control system, the ability to acquire targets on the move, a higher first-round kill capability and penetration cum blast ammunition, in addition to several other improvements.
The production intent will be placed on heavy vehicles factory Avadi, that is also located in Avadi only, and they will be manufacturing within the first tanks may come out 3 years from the date of placement of intent. So this will be able to see up to 5 kilometers easily, and whatever ammunition you are fired from the gun, it will be having a range of around 2 kilometers. So that means any tank in 2 kilometers, it can engage and kill it.
Developed at the Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment in Chennai, the Arjun Mark 1A is heavier than the T-90 Bhishma and T-72 already in service. The Army is also hunting for light tanks for high-altitude battlefields of eastern Ladakh. The Ministry of Defence has also cleared the procurement of armoured fighting vehicles for an additional 5,000 crore rupees for speedy mobilization of troops in the high-altitude deserts and plains of Ladakh. With Pramod Madhav in Chennai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.